check for advanced restart button. As you can see, it's available here. I'm directly booting into recovery using that. If you don't have that, use the traditional method to boot into recovery by pressing the volume up button and power button simultaneously. This is the latest recovery available for Mi11X POCO F3 or Redmi K40. As you can see, it's decrypted here. Once you boot into recovery, directly go to files wherever you downloaded. I mean, copy it to internal storage. If you don't have that, you can use even USB OTG also. And this is the method. First flash the firmware. I'm flashing here alioth EA global firmware 13.0.9.0. as you can see, it's getting flashed. Use the same recovery, and once it has been done, go to home section here and select this PixelExtended 5.3. actually that's the version I was using, but there was a problem regarding Play Store and some of the G apps, hence they released one more update. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see, the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully here. Once that has been done, now you need to flash again this recovery, the same recovery you can see here. That's how it is. Now you need to go to this here, the menu, and select reboot and select the recovery. It will boot into recovery now again. Now go to this delete section and select your format data and type here YES and press this tick button. That's been done here. Now you can boot into recovery. Again, go to home section and select here menu and select reboot and select the system. This is how simple the flashing method of Mi11X custom ROMs. Here in this case I am showing PixelExtended 5.3 based on latest security patch and based on Android 13 guys. Similar method will be applicable for all the AOSP ROMs, but some other ROMs like ported ROMs will have different method. I will be explaining in that particular video. And here we go, it's booted into PixelExtended 5.3, and let's begin this video. Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath, watching Sampath SamFX YouTube channel, and this is Mi11X custom ROM reviews. You can see the PixelExtended 5.3 based on Android 13, but the security patch is 5th November 2022. I don't know when they're going to update it, and kernel used here is 4.19.269, and build date also you can see 2023 15, I mean 5th January. This is the latest available build. They released one more build for like 1st January that had a issue of Play Store, like it's getting crashed. That has been fixed in this January 5th build, and I have been running the CPU throttling test. You can see here from last 10 minutes and 12 seconds and 9 milliseconds. Let me increase a little bit. Okay, that's the brightness available. Maximum, the maximum is 301 and average is 251 and minimum is 210 million GFS, which is good, and it's throttled to 81% of its max performance. And guys, this is a 200 thread testing, not 10 or 20 thread testing. This is a 200 thread testing. The scores are very good regarding to this particular app. It's fine, but overall experience, I haven't noticed any throttling in this particular ROM. And this is the home screen. You get typical Pixel experience or any AOSP ROMs. You can see here you get wallpapers to select, and if you press here and you can change wallpaper from here, you get feathers and even the come alive. Those are typical, and you get this basic colors which are Android 13 feature, and combination of colors are also given, just 4 here, and dark theme you get an option here as you can see, and it is pitch black. I will explain later. And themed icons still in beta, and app grid you get up to, you can see here from 2x2 to up to 6x9 is available here. That's good in my opinion. And if I come back again, and if you want to use the widgets, those are available. Even battery widget like Android 13 style is available. Camera widgets you can have here, and obviously the clock widgets, these all working fine. And pixel launcher, let's go. As you can see, pixel launcher is a pre-install launcher, and if you swipe downwards you get a quick settings panel here. You get lot more toggles. If you want, you can edit them in the edit section, and if you want, you can drag them to add, and vice versa to remove. That's how it is, and that's the home screen you get. It's fine here. And let's see the dialer here. You can see direct video call feature is also available in this ROM. Let's make a call and check out. Yeah, call recording is there, but it will announce the other person that you are recording the call. That's how it is. The call recording feature is there. Dialer is working fine. I haven't faced any earpiece problem or anything like that, and I also took calls via speakers. I haven't faced any problem. I usually use a 3.5 mm headphone jack and this dongle to take a calls also and to listen music, everything. Those are also working fine, no problem regarding that. For the sake of you people, I also tried Bluetooth earphones. Those are also working fine, no problem regarding that. And carrier aggregation support is also there if you use 4G SIM card. I mean Geo I am using here. If you want, you can use any other SIM cards available in your network region. And I have like 100 Mbps fiber connection here. It's pulling up to 90 to 95 Mbps. I mostly use that just to test the ROM for few minutes. I will test on mobile internet, which is working fine, no problem regarding connectivity and communication. Like these settings are working fine. Now moving into benchmark results, you can see here Android benchmark. Also you can check out the app opening time, how quick it is compared to any other ROMs. If you watch my videos, you will be coming to know. You can see here 6,21,557 is the Android benchmark result we got on this particular ROM, that is PixelExtended ROM based on Android 13. And you can see 1.8 degrees Celsius is the temperature rise, and the battery drop is just 4% during this entire Android benchmark result testing. You can see on the screen. And moving into other settings like Geekbench scores, you can see here I have run this also. The single score performance is 846 and multi score is 3058. And again the Linux 4.19 2.269 is the kernel used here, which is working fine, making this as a efficient ROM. The battery life I will be explaining a little bit later. You can see DRM information, you get level 1 certification such that you can watch all the OTT application in high definition resolution. That's not the problem in this particular ROM. And moving into some other app settings like Google Pay, Phone Pay, all are working fine, no problem regarding that. And safety and status, obviously it will get passed. You can use those applications what I mentioned before. And Google Photos unlimited storage is also available in this particular ROM. Google Maps are working fine, no problem regarding that. And even every toggle is working fine. Bluetooth, everything is working fine. You can see the percentage available of the Bluetooth device connected. These are the settings available in this particular ROM. If I move into settings, before that I forgot to show this one. This is quite obvious now. You get this Leica integration of MIUI camera or the ANX camera, whatever you call, that's available in Android 13 ROMs for Mi11X or POCO F3 or Redmi K40. You can see the smoothness in the UI is fine. Just make some of the settings as default here and make it like, for example, yeah, picture quality is high, make it super. Like that you need to make little bit of changes and you start using your camera, will be working fine. All the modes are given, extra modes are also getting downloaded. As you can see, those are working fine. Actually these are new actually sticker avatars and whatever this, well, let get download. You can see movie effect and long exposures, lot more options has been included in this particular camera build. And Dolby Atmos obviously is working fine. You can see here, you can even turn off, you can change some of the customs from here, and main customizations can be done from here. And moving into actual settings, this how the settings, which is smooth enough to scroll into the settings panel, is fine. Even the quick settings panel smoothness is also fine. As you can see, there is no lag whatsoever. That's how I like this PixelExtended ROM, but they haven't pushed the security patch to the latest. And here you get PE extension, I mean the customization system icons. If you want, you can enable or disable from here. And network traffic monitor, if you want, you can enable from here. As you can see, you want to choose it to the status bar or a quick settings, you can customize them also. And some of the other settings like battery style, you get just 3 here, and battery percentage you can hide it. And these are the customization. If you swipe again here, you get disable power menu and lock screen. You can enable or disable even lock screen charging information also. You can enable or disable from here. Double tap to check the phone is option given here. If you want, you can enable that, and display media cover art, pulse, ripple effect, and DVFP customizations are also given here. Again, swipe here, you get these customization, and these are the customizations available in this particular ROM. Moving into actual settings, here you can choose the default apps from here. You know this, guys. If you want to change the launcher to some other third-party launcher, and even the browser, you can change from here. Those are working fine. And special app access, you get plenty of customization. I mean the AOSP customizations. You can check out here picture-in-picture mode and unrestricted data. You can check out from here. Those are present with any Android 13 custom ROMs available. And sound and vibration, you get all the options, including this direct sound settings. You get headphone type and preset from here, and even the smart scene selection, but there is no option of hi-fi audio. But anyhow, we get this Dolby Atmos support. You can use that in order to experience very good from these earphones or Bluetooth earphones output. And these are the sound settings. You get even clear speaker option also. And battery life, I got really good, as you can see. If you press here, you can check out, yeah, extreme battery saver is not there here. Adaptive preferences has been turned on. Battery usage, it hasn't recorded previously, but I can say the battery life is going to be very good because of the kernel used here. And if you disable the ambient display, then it will be little more better to get better battery life. These are the options here, and that's how it is. And moving into display settings, here also you get plenty of options like dark theme. As I said, use pitch black theme, I mean black theme, then it will become darker. And per app refresh rate is given, minimum maximum kept to 60 and 120 respectively, and colors kept to boosted. If you want, you can customize them. It will make little bit of difference. And wallpapers and style I already explained. Regarding security settings, you get face and fingerprint unlock here. And more security settings, if I see, there is no app lock here. You need to use any third-party app locker from Play Store. That's how it is. And location, as I said before, it's working fine. Now moving into system update, there was a update released. I mean this update I can't able to update through updater. Use the recovery only, and clean flash it, guys. Don't dirty flash also. It makes better experience. And this how, hope so I explained everything. I'll be showing this PUBG news state. You guys not showing interest towards which game to be added for Mi11X for gaming preview. You are not showing interest. If you have specific game, I would have been shown that. And if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button, guys, down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. A lot more effort to be made to make this kind of videos. And I will show you the charging animation also here. Will it support 33-watt charging or not? Let's check out. And 1 second. Okay, it recognized the face very quickly, hence I covered my face here. Let's check out. It is showing charging slowly only, but slowly it will increase us to charging rapidly. I want to show that actually. As you can see, it is showing turbo charging, hence you can use this 33-watt charging support is available in this ROM. And also the fingerprint unlock, as you can see, it's very quick to unlock your smartphone. Just to tap, it gets unlocked. Just tap, as you can see. And the face unlock is even quicker. As you can see, just touch the power button, it will get unlocked. This how the PixelExtended latest version Android 13 based it is, but the security patch is the older. That's the only con I can say in this particular ROM. As you can see, it's very smooth. You can definitely have it as a daily driver. And let's see PUBG news state how it handles and wind up this video. You guys can see the graphic settings. Hope so. The light is coming this way. Now let's focus this. As you can see, up to 90 fps option is available. If you go to ultra, it goes up to maximum here. Go to light and keep it 90 fps only. Okay, and here we go, trying air angle. Everything is fine here in this particular ROM. And one more thing I forget to mention, there is no toggle of auto brightness here. If they would have been added, that would be better, but I don't know why they missed that. You need to go into actual settings to go into turn off that automatic brightness here. Let's drop into Pochanki and let's see. I am in low level, guys. Don't expect very good gaming from this review. I mean, you can judge how it handles the game actually, but you can't judge my gameplay because I am sitting in a very difficult position, and also I haven't set any settings like changing the controls or anything sensitivity like that, but just to give you idea, I am trying this. Hope so you like the video, guys. And if you mention particular game, I will definitely try to add that particular game in my Mi11X custom ROM reviews. And there is no lag here, working fine as of now, and that's how it is. Even your internet connection should be fine enough to make better gameplay. I hope you guys know that. And got a gun. Hope I can kill any enemy. Let's see. Or no one landed here. Hope so. If it was at this time I got killed, or I even okay, there is any footsteps. Yeah, where is? It's very close to me, the enemy. I don't think so. Okay, there are two actually. Where are they? There was a little bit lag, you guys noticed, I hope so. He is bot. No, he was player. I got killed here. Okay, I'll come back here. That's how the gameplay here, that's fine, but there was a little bit of stutter also while gaming. That's quite obvious here, but overall experience was fine. As you can see, it's fine. You can definitely use it as a daily driver. The notification toggle here, they would have been added the automatic brightness toggle to disable or enable. That's the one thing missing, and the security patch is older. Overall, if you look at out as a all-round ROM, it's working fine. You can definitely have it as a daily driver. Even high speed charging, turbo watt charging is also available here. That's all, guys, in this video. Hope you like it, and we'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.